In this session, let's try to understand single responsibility principle. This is the first principle in the solid principles. So the single responsibility principles means that a class should do only one job and have only one reason to change. This makes the code clean and easy to maintain. So means that whenever you are trying to change the class, there is one reason should be there, otherwise you should not change the class, and moreover a class should do only one job. So for example, if you take the any class which is related to the emails, so that class should be having the logics about the sending emails only. Okay, that class should not about the processing the payments. So here payments is the different related logic, so we should not implement that payments related logic under the emails related class. So a class should do only one job, not the multiple jobs. So that is the principle of the single responsibility. So the main advantage of this single responsibility in the sense we can easy to maintain the code. Okay, so fixing or updating one task won't affect the other parts of the code. So that is the we can easy maintain, and we can reduce the bugs as well while we are following this single responsibility principle. Since each class has a single responsibility, it's easier to test and debug. And one more thing is that it supports the collaboration. Developers can work on different classes without the conflicts. So each developer can involve into working on their own classes. So this is the single responsibility principle. So in the next session, we will implement this single responsibility principle into the one program so that you can understand more about this single responsibility principle. So keep in mind single responsibility principle in the sense a class should do only one job. So a class cannot handle the multiple jobs at the same time.